high school. So this is like first year to fourth year. And kalahati nun mga lalaki. And then kalahati ng lalaki marunong mag-basketball. So sobrang liit naming school. And nakilaro kami ng basketball teams around Baguio, University of Baguio, City High. Ang kalaro namin, student population nila 5,000, 10,000. Kami 40. So nung naglaro kami, na-discover ko na may competitive fire pala ako inside. Yung pinakaunang year ko na cut ako sa basketball team. Nagpursige ako, I went to the court, kahit anong court, nakapaa, laro para sa Coke, mga ganyan, dinaanan ko na lahat yan. So finally, the year after naka-line up ako, tinalo kami ng 100 points ng University of Baguio. 100 points. The next year, nag-improve kami, talo na lang kami ng 50. And then the next year, talo kami 20. On my very last year, that was 2002, yung super tiny na school namin, kami yung best team sa buong Baguio City. Praise God because we were a Christian school representing Jesus. And it just so happened that I was the tallest guy on my team. And it allowed, parang nagkaroon ako ng opportunity that coaches in Manila saw me. So tinalo namin yung University of Baguio, City High, St. Louis Boys High, lahat ng mga student population na sobrang laki. And I think that spoke of God's grace in my life. Parang sino bang makakapag-akala na itong maliit na school makakatalo ng super big schools? So that was my background story, and I ended up in Manila, 2002, Ateneo. And hindi ko alam kung kilala nyo sina Rico Villanueva, Rich Alvarez, Paolo Bugia, Wesley Gonzalez, L.A. Tenorio. Sila yung mga stars of Ateneo nung pagpasok ko. So, pag-alis ko ng high school, ako yung parang superstar. Pero pagdating ko sa Ateneo, na-humble na naman ako. Ako yung pinakamalala. So ako yung third string. So parang meron akong life process of parang trying to prove myself. Parang from the worst, naging the best. Paglipat ko ng Ateneo, one of the worst, work my way up. Pinagtsagaan ko yun. When I finished college, people thought na hindi ako makakapag-PBA. Pero sinipag, tsaga, God's grace, I ended up number 5 in the draft pick, 2007. And then pagdating ko na naman ng PBA, back to scratch na naman. Work my way up. So, in a nutshell po, yun yung naging story ng buhay ko na parang minomold ako ni God and He always wants to keep me humbled. Na parang Doug, sinasabi ni God sa akin when I would always pray, you're not all that. You need me.
Basketball and sports, desire mo na dream when you were young?
Yeah, well, maybe late na, siguro mga 15 or 16, naging desire ko na to take it to the next level. Pero never ko inisip na pagka-start ko ng basketball, parang PBA yung goal ko. Parang